looking pale and faded? Then I have the solution right here for you. MagNifiCal. MagNifiCal helps green your plants up. It contains multiple chelates for quicker uptake. It increases stem and flower size, aids in cell division, and helps strengthen your cell walls. It can be used during all stages of growth, both vegetative and flower. Can be used as a foliar spray as well. It'll help you have healthy, happy plants. If you'd like more information, go to www.remonutrients.com. MagNifiCal.